Welcome to another podcast with Chetna and Pius.
Yay! Was that nice? Your mic is on or off?
It's on.
Is mine on?
Yeah,
Was that flute nice?
it's pretty decent.
Decent. Not that great. Please don't judge me. I am learning. And it is the flute and I are tuning with each other. And when the tuning is complete, I will play better tunes for you.
Yeah, that makes sense.
ताल से ताल मिला. अच्छा चलो, कुछ बताओ. Where are we?
We are in
Do not
Sariska.
name the place.
Yeah,
Name the place
we'll
if
be
you want to
long
come.
gone from here.
Long gone. So we'll post after we've left. But
So
we're not
people
such
can't catch us.
such big celebrities yet, so it's all right. Oh, red bird. Red. Oh, so beautiful, majestic. We are in Sariska.
Yeah, we're in Sariska. We came here to see stars on a new moon. We planned this
We didn't plan
Two
this.
new moons
You
ago.
planned it.
2 new moons ago. And
And we turned up yesterday.
we saw clouds.
We saw clouds and we saw darkness.
We saw, yeah, there
Pitch
was a
black.
most like you don't really know what darkness is till you see nothing.
Nothing. You open your eyes and there is no difference between that and your eyes being closed.
Yeah, for a few moments when the electricity went yesterday, there was nothing, and then some people put on their phones. They're trying to scavenge for something. But it was
Scavenge
just going. It
for
was
life.
like being in a dark room, but tons of wind.
Tons of wind. And
Yes.
you're not inside four walls. You are out in the open. I felt like, we both felt like we were on a different planet.
Yeah,
And for a part of it, I was on this huge jula.
yeah. It was incredible. The
Huge
wind
jula
was
means the
incredible.
jula was small,
Yeah.
but the rope of it was really long. So it felt surreal. It was surreal.
It was surreal. And what was good about the whole thing is that I didn't feel slightly like I was really looking forward to seeing stars, but I didn't feel anything about not having seen them.
Nothing at
Everything
all.
seems great.
Every time the
nonetheless.
staff tried to apologize,
Yeah.
I was like, bro, you can't apologize
What's
for
in
nature.
your control?
Like, even insurance doesn't cover natural calamities. What are you apologizing
Yeah.
for this? Please read the offer documents carefully before investing.
Yeah. They were very apologetic about something you cannot control. You
Well-
sometime may get an opportunity to see something. But
No,
nature
you
does
saw
what it
this.
does.
Sometimes nature wants you to have a bigger opportunity than the one you are ready for.
Yes, actually, that is exactly
That is exactly correct.
it's exactly correct.
Can you hear? I'm asking the listener and you, Pius, the background birds. Just listen. Maybe 1 minute will be too much for people. So 30 seconds we won't say anything. Just listen. And now the guy decides, the lady decides to do chop chop. So 30 seconds start now.
Welcome back.
Well, we never left.
What this reminds me of is, we kind of compartmentalize nature, the weather, just the expressions of what is going on into something that possibly is predictable. But there's certain things that you will just witness. You cannot do anything about. You will witness.
No,
And
like
you can
the
change.
way that is being said is not correct, but what the sentiment behind it is correct. Like you cannot do anything about sounds very helpless. It's not a helpless thing. It is, why do you want to do anything about something that is so perfect?
Yeah.
Don't do anything about it. Let it be. आपको नहीं समझ आ रही वो बात अभी, आप नहीं ग्रहण कर पा रहे हो उसको, आपके एक्सेप्टेंस में नहीं आ रही वो बात, पर वो बात और वो चीज़ तो परफेक्ट है ना, तो थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करो. यार मेरे तो पैसे 20,000 खर्चा हो गया बिकॉज आई डिडंट सी द स्टार्स. तुम ये भी तो सोच सकते हो ना कि ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस कभी मिला है तुमको?
What a storm we saw.
What a storm, what lightning,
Yeah.
what hava. I was bathed, renewed and rebirthed through this process just because we did not stick to a pattern of thought that everybody around us has fed us. You know, a belief is only a thought that you keep thinking. And you think that because you believe something, it must be true. No. Sometimes you will have the power to change your belief systems. And if for long enough you do not change your belief system, but you have increased your amount of energy and your consciousness to a certain level, then the universe will come and do that work for you. At that time, resisting that is like that phrase that they say that लक्ष्मी घर पर आ रही है और आप मुंह धोने जा रहे हो.
Yeah.
Have you heard of that phrase?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you perceive what happens around you is absolutely different than what is happening. There's a beautiful thing in the book I'm reading right now that says
Which
that you
book
can
is it?
read. It's called Quantum
Body?
Body
By
Deepak Chopra. Obviously, that's how his name is pronounced.
Deepak.
So he says in that you can eat the healthiest foods.
Doesn't matter.
But you lose control of what is happening once it goes in your body. How your body will how it will react and receive that food is now up to the body.
Yes.
You would like to say
for
something
most
about
people,
this?
that is true. It is that at any given point. See, that's why I said what your sentiment is there, but you're not saying it right at all. I don't think. No. That not now.
But I see this as the same thing.
I will say this. Hold on. I will say this. If you have resistance, the best thing you can do is do not now resist your resistance. Not resisting your resistance is the fastest way through your resistance. And when you are feeling calm, and when you are feeling quiet, and when you are feeling aligned, but how will I know I'm feeling calm, quiet and aligned? Because you will not be asking me this question then. At that time, reprogram yourself, because time is your most limited resource. Don't waste time and energy. Compound it. It's beautiful.
Wonderful.
The end. कुछ समझ
Bye-bye.
में आया? पता नहीं. सुनेंगे तब पता चलेगा क्या बात.
It was good.
It is good. Namaste.
Namaste.